Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Plant of Arts, and today I'm going to show you how to make a slime with Fevicol glue. So let's start. First you need to take a Fevicol glue and pour it into the cup. Next you need to add equal amount of water to the cup. Here I'm adding 1.5 spoons of water into the cup, which means 1 and 1/2 spoons of water. Okay, next you need to add some colors. Here I'm adding red color. I'm adding 10 drops of red color into the cup. If you want to add more drops, you can also add more drops of color. Here I'm adding only 10 drops. Next, you need to add some glitter for decoration. Okay, next you need to add some shave gel. Adding shave gel is optional. If you have only, then you have to add shave gel. Add only 1 drop of shave gel. Then mix it. Okay, next you need to add 1 spoon of activator. Now the slime is ready. Next you need to add some activator on the hand to prevent sticking. So this is the slime. So I hope that everybody liked my video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye and see you in the next video.